So here profits for 5 years are given. So first you have to take profit for 5 years. $61,000, then 71,500, 78,000 and 85,000. So total 3,59,500 is the profits for 5 years. These profits are before providing for tax. So you have to provide for tax. So less 50% income tax. %50 of this will be how much? Is it 1,79,750? 50% income tax. You may assume that income tax at the rate of 50% has been payable on profits ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, right? So 50% income tax minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1,79,750 ಇದ್ರೆ you get profit after tax is 1,79,750. This is for 5 years. So average profit is 1,79,750 divided by 5 is how much? Is it 35,950? So that is the average profit. Now you are asked to, if it is average profit method, here only number of years of purchase will be given. So you have to multiply by the number of years of purchase, you get value of goodwill, right? Here it is capitalization of average profits method. So you have to capitalize the profit. So capitalized profit at 10% because it is given dividends for 4 years is 10%, which is reasonable return. So you have to take 10% as a normal rate of return. So capitalized profit will be average profit divided by normal rate of return. So that is average profit is how much? 35,000 average profit divided by NRR. So 35,950 divided by 10 into 100. 10% means divided by 10 into 100. So it will be how much? 3,59,500 is the capitalized value of profit. So capitalized value of profit will be 3,59,500. Now you have to calculate total tangible assets of the business. So tangible assets is assets is what are the assets given that? Land and building. Goodwill is not taken because we are valuing goodwill, right? So land and building 1,10,000, 1,10,000. Then plant and machinery 1 lakh. Plant and machinery 1 lakh. Stock 1 lakh 50,000. Then debtors 90,000. So what is the total? 4 lakh 50,000 less liabilities. What are the liabilities? Liabilities, there is bank overdraft, sundry creditors and provision for tax. So how much bank overdraft? Bank overdraft is 2. Yes? 58,350. Sundry creditors is 2. 90,500. Then provision for tax 39,900. 19,000. 19,500. So what is the total? Yes? So much. 1,68,000. So what is the resulting figure? Ishwar, the answer. And the answer net tangible assets. Total tangible assets minus liabilities gives you net tangible assets. The answer is 4,50,000 minus 1,68,350. Yes? 2,51,000. 81,650. So this is net tangible assets. Now you have to find out the difference between capitalized profit and net tangible assets. To find out the goodwill is equal to, or calculation of goodwill is capitalized profit. Where to capitalized profit? Already we have calculated, right? Capitalized profit is 3,59,500. So 3,59,500 minus net tangible assets. 2,81,650. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? Is it 77,850? So goodwill value is rupees 77,850.